Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Shaina.
And I'm Jocelyn. We are from SMP Semesta Bilingual Boarding School.
We will explain about our project named Arduino Uno-based Smart Trash Collection as an HDPE plastic waste sorter.
Plastic waste that cannot be destroyed, such as or PVC, LDPE, and PS, can cause damage to the surrounding environment. For example, it is dangerous for the sustainability of the food chain, has an impact on water and air hygiene, global warming, and can cause disease living things. One original case reported by Kompas.com in 2018 is a whale that was stranded in the waters of Kapota Island, Wakatobi. Inside the stomach of the whale, various forms of plastic, such as mineral water bottles and plastic packaging, were found. The incident was caused by the coast and beaches around Wakatobi, which was scattered with plastic waste.
Do you know there are 7 types of plastics? One of the types of plastics has more advantages than the other types, namely high-density polyethylene, or often called HDPE. HDPE is a type of plastic that has a very strong resistance and is also easily recycled. One example of HDPE product is shampoo packaging bottles. Therefore, this type of HDPE plastic was used as an experimental material in the study. In previous research, smart trash bins were made. For example, application of solar power as an IoT-based smart trash bin, Gemilpa automatic waste sorting with image processing, and Arduino R3-based smart trash can. However, in previous research had weakness, such as the results of Arduino R3-based smart trash bin that use cardboard as the body of the trash bin, which had an impact on the durability of the trash bin. And all of this research have not combined all components in one product. So, it is necessary to design a smart trash bin based on Arduino Uno microcontroller as a sorter for HDPE plastic waste, assisted by solar cells as an energy source with a waterproof material that is able to sort out a lot of waste at one time.
The problem formulation for this research, how to design a smart trash bin based on Arduino Uno microcontroller as an HDPE waste sorted assisted by solar cell as an energy source with a waterproof material that can sort out a lot of waste at one time.
This aim for this research is designing an Arduino Uno microcontroller as a sorter for HDPE plastic waste, assisted by solar cells as an energy source with a waterproof material that is able to sort out a lot of waste at one time. The tools and materials needed in this research are Arduino Uno microcontroller as HDPE plastic waste separator, LDR as a laser light receiver for capacity sensors, LED as an indicator light capacity in the trash, resistor as a regulator of voltage and electric current, servo motor as a driving force for the trash bin, cable as a connector between components, breadboard as a component connector, batteries as experimental power supply.
Type of plastic as a test material for trash bin, solar cell as a source of electrical energy in the trash bin, SCSR04 as a hand movement detector, rechargeable batteries as a storage of electrical energy from solar cell, aluminum as the body of the trash, Tinkercad as an Arduino Uno simulation application.
Let's see how trash and trans work. The trash and trans system consists of Arduino, servo motor, HCSR04, and cable. If there are objects that fall within the range of the ultrasonic sensor, then the servo will rotate 180 degrees to open the trash bin hole. And if the object is out of the reach of the sensor, then the servo will rotate in the opposite direction to close the trash bin entrance.
And now, let's see how capacity sensor work. The capacity sensor system consists of Arduino, LDR, LED, resistor, laser, and cable. If no laser lights enters the LDR, the red light will light up as a sign that the trash bin is full. And if a laser light enters the LDR, the green light will light up as a sign that the trash bin can still accommodate more trash. Then, this is how waste sorter works. When there is waste that has not been sorted, it will enter and will be sorted. And if the waste is HDPE plastic, then it will go into the plastic containers. And if it is not HDPE plastic, then the waste will go into the non-HDPE containers. But Arduino Uno is unable to run the image processing system, so we use this diagram to illustrate how it works.
The conclusion of our research is a design for smart trash bin based on the Arduino Uno microcontroller has been prepared as a sorter for HDPE plastic waste, assisted by solar cells as an energy source with a waterproof material that is able to sort out a lot of waste at one time. Based on the experiment and the Tinkercad simulation results, The capacity sensor system and the door opening and closing system are running well.
The Arduino is unable to run image processing system, so the suggestion for the future research is the designs of the sorting system need to be made using Raspberry Pi. That's all our presentation.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.